friends, welcome back to our channel. How are you? So friends, in this video we are going to learn 2D shapes and polygons. Let's have fun with shapes. So before going to polygons, let's learn about 2D shapes, because if we learn 2D shapes, it will be easier to learn polygons. So in 2D shapes, we have shape and we have 2D. So we know what is the shape. And in 2D, what is D? D means dimension. So 2D shape means two-dimensional shape. Let us see the definition. A shape or a figure that has a length and a breadth is a 2D shape. So length, breadth, what are these? These are dimensions. So if a figure is having length and breadth, two dimensions, it is called a two-dimensional shape. Straight or curved lines make up the sides of this shape. So let us take a paper. This is a paper and this paper is in the shape of a rectangle. Let us draw a rectangle. Yes, and in this rectangle, which is the length and which is the breadth? The down line is the length and the side line is the breadth. So this rectangle is having both length and breadth. So it is having two dimensions. So it is a two-dimensional shape. Now let us see examples of 2D shapes. Square, circle, triangle, pentagon, rectangle, hexagon and parallelogram. So friends, now let us see polygons, because we know what are 2D shapes. So a polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments, not curves, in a two-dimensional plane. So if a figure is made up of curves and it is a closed figure, it is not a polygon. But if it is made up of line segments and it is a closed figure, it is a polygon. Let us take the example of circle. A circle is a closed figure, but a circle is made up of curved edge but not with line segments. So it is not a polygon. Whereas we have square, it is a closed figure and it has four line segments. So it is a polygon. Now polygon is the combination of two words, poly and gon. Poly means many and gon means sides. Many sides. Let us see the examples of polygons. Triangle. In triangle, we are having three line segments and it is a closed figure. So it is a polygon. See, if we are having a figure made up of line segments and it is not a closed figure, if it is open, it is not a polygon. And this is a square. It is made up of four line segments and it is a closed figure. This is a pentagon. It is having five line segments and it is a closed figure. So friends, let us start with triangle. This is the figure of a triangle. But before going to triangle, do you know what is an edge and what is a vertex? So edge means the side of the given figure and vertex means the corners of the given polygon or given figure. Okay, let us count the edges of this triangle first. 1, 2, 3. There are three edges in a triangle. Now vertices. 1, 2, 3. There are three vertices in a triangle. Now let us see few examples of triangle in real life. A slice of pizza, traffic signboard, ice cream cone. So these are few examples of triangle. Now square. This is the figure of a square and let us count the edges of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four edges in a square. Now vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices are there in a square. Let us see few examples of square in real life. Biscuits, carom board. All sides are equal in a square. If we want to check it in the carom board, we can see all sides of the carom board are equal. So it is a square. Now rectangle. Let us see the figure of the rectangle. Yes. So in this rectangle, let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 edges in a rectangle and vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices in a rectangle. Examples of rectangle in real life. Television, chocolate, ruler. Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Pentagon. Let us see the figure of the pentagon now. This is the shape of a pentagon. Let us count the edges of this pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 edges in a pentagon. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 vertices in a pentagon. Now let us see few examples of pentagon in real life. Dog house, tag. Now hexagon. This is the figure of the hexagon. Let us count the edges of the hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 edges in a hexagon. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vertices in a hexagon. Examples of hexagon in real life. Honeycomb. So you can have a close look at the honeycomb. So see, the design is in this form and this is in the shape of a hexagon with 6 sides and 6 vertices. Heptagon. This is the figure of the heptagon and let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 edges in a heptagon. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 vertices in a heptagon. Now octagon. The name itself contains 8. Figure of octagon and let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 edges in a octagon. Now vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices in a octagon. Now nonagon. This is the figure of nonagon and let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 edges in a nonagon. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 vertices in a nonagon. So instead of doing all these, we can just keep it as an n-sided polygon is called n-gon, because after nonagon we have some more polygons like decagon and so on. So we can say an n-sided polygon. Let us take an example of octagon. An 8-sided polygon is called octagon. Like that, an n-sided polygon is called n-gon. Now let us do a small activity and match the objects with a shape. Square. rectangle, circle, triangle, hexagon. Objects: television, carom board, a slice of pizza, honeycomb, clock. So now first square. Square does not match to clock because clock is not having a line segment. And this honeycomb is made up of 6 sides, but square is made up of only 4 sides, so they don't match. And this slice of pizza is made up of 3 sides, so it doesn't match to square. And this television, though it has 4 sides, all sides are not equal in this television, but square will have all sides equal, so carom board is matching to square with 4 line segments and all sides are equal. Let us match them. Yes. So now rectangle. Rectangle. 4 line segments and opposite sides are equal. So slice of pizza is having only 3 sides. So remove it, and clock is not having line segments. Keep it aside. And this honeycomb is having 6 sides, so it doesn't match to rectangle. Carom board is already told as a square, and now rectangle has opposite sides equal and television is having opposite sides equal, so it matches to the television. Circle. Circle have no line segments, but this slice of pizza and this honeycomb are having line segments, so it matches to clock. And triangle. It is made up of 3 sides. This honeycomb is made up of 6 sides, so it doesn't match, and this pizza is made up of 3 sides, so it matches. Now hexagon. Hexagon is made of 6 sides, so we can match it to honeycomb. So the activity is done. So friends, I hope you all understood the 2D shapes and polygons. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Activate the bell icon to get notifications. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.